Welcome back to the place where we talk about everything on two wheels, be it bikes, scooters, or the latest news and reviews in the motorcycle industry. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we have some exciting news for all the scooter lovers out there. Honda is about to launch their new 125cc scooter, and trust me, it's generating quite a buzz in the market. So, if you've been waiting for a sleek, efficient, and performance-packed scooter, stay tuned, because in today's video, we'll break down everything we know so far about this highly anticipated release. Honda has long been known for producing some of the best scooters in the market, and with the upcoming 125cc scooter, they're about to shake things up even further. We've already seen the success of their 110cc models like the Honda Activa and Honda Dio, which are incredibly popular in markets across the globe, especially in India. But now, Honda is taking it up a notch with the 125cc segment, and it's looking like a game changer. This new scooter is set to offer more power, enhanced features, and a sleeker design, all while maintaining Honda's reputation for reliability, fuel efficiency, and comfort. In today's video, we'll explore everything we know about this new scooter, from its engine specifications and performance to its design and unique features. Let's get started. First things first, the engine. The heart of any scooter is its engine, and this is where Honda has made significant strides. The upcoming 125cc scooter is expected to feature an all-new 124.9cc single-cylinder engine that balances power and fuel efficiency perfectly. Now, Honda has been known for making scooters that aren't just good for short commutes, but also long rides. And this engine is no different. The 125cc engine will be capable of producing around 8 to 10 horsepower, which is more than enough to give you smooth acceleration and plenty of top-end power for city commutes and even highway cruising. The engine is expected to be air-cooled and fuel-injected, which will provide better fuel efficiency, smoother performance, and quicker throttle response. Whether you're navigating through busy streets or cruising along an open road, this scooter will deliver enough power to make your ride enjoyable. One of the key features Honda is emphasizing is the fuel efficiency. With fuel prices constantly on the rise, having a scooter that provides great mileage is a huge plus. The new 125cc model is expected to offer a mileage of 50-60 km/L, which is excellent for anyone who wants to save on fuel costs while enjoying a fun ride. The combination of power and fuel efficiency makes this scooter an attractive option for both daily commuters and leisure riders alike. When it comes to scooters, design plays a massive role in attracting potential buyers, and Honda is definitely on point with the design of this new scooter. While details are still on the wraps, early images and spy shots suggest a modern and sleek design that will appeal to a wide range of riders. At the front, you'll likely notice a sharp, angular headlamp, similar to what we've seen on Honda's latest models like the Honda Grazia. The scooter's front apron is designed to look sporty while also offering aerodynamic efficiency. The LED headlamps and DLLs, daytime London time versions, are expected to make their debut on this 125 SEC model, providing better visibility during the day and night. The bodywork is expected to feature smooth, curvaceous lines, giving the scooter a refined and sophisticated look. Honda has always been known for its attention to detail, and this new scooter is no exception. expect to see high-quality paint finishes, premium textures, and carefully crafted body panels that not only look great, but are also durable and easy to maintain. When it comes to dimensions, the new scooter is likely to have a slightly larger stance than its 110cc counterparts, which will provide added stability and comfort for riders of all sizes. The seat is expected to be more ergonomic, offering more cushioning and comfort for longer rides, while also providing ample space for pillion riders. Now, let's talk about the technology and features that this new 125cc scooter will offer. Honda has been introducing more tech in its scooters over the years, and this new model will certainly be no different. Here's a look at what we can expect in terms of technology. First up, we're likely to see an all-digital instrument cluster. This will not only give the scooter a modern and futuristic feel, but it will also provide key information like speed, fuel level, trip meters, and a battery indicator. The digital display will be easy to read and user-friendly, ensuring that riders have all the information they need at a glance. The scooter is also expected to come with a smart key system for enhanced security and convenience. This means you won't have to fumble around for keys. Just keep the key fob in your pocket and the scooter will unlock with a simple press of a button. This feature will make locking and unlocking your scooter quicker and more efficient. Another exciting feature that could make its way into the 225cc scooter is Honda's Combi Brake System, CBS. This system is designed to enhance braking performance, especially in wet conditions. It works by applying both the front and rear brakes together when you press the brake lever, reducing stopping distances and making the scooter easier to control. Expect also to see USB charging ports, which are becoming more common on modern scooters, allowing you to charge your phone or other devices on the go. Honda understands that safety is a top priority for riders, and they're likely to include a host of advanced safety features on this new 125cc scooter. For starters, we can expect CBS to come standard, which, as we just discussed, improves braking performance. Additionally, a LED tail lamp is likely to be included, ensuring that you're visible to other road users, even in low-light conditions. The scooter may also feature tubeless tires, which are more durable and reduce the risk of sudden deflation. One of the standout features could be the inclusion of Honda's smart anti-theft system. This system makes it more difficult for thieves to start the scooter, ensuring that your ride stays safe when you're not around. So, with all these fantastic features, what's the price tag going to look like? Honda hasn't officially released the price yet, but based on the competition and the features we expect, the new 125cc scooter will likely be priced in the range of $1,900, zero to Indian markets, and other markets. Given that it falls into the affordable 125cc segment, it's expected to compete with scooters like the Suzuki Access 125 and TVS N-Torque 125. With Honda's reputation for reliability, fuel efficiency, and performance, this new scooter could offer serious competition in the market. So, there you have it. The new Honda 125cc scooter is shaping up to be a fantastic addition to Honda's scooter lineup. With a sleek design, powerful engine, advanced technology, and top-notch safety features, it's sure to attract a lot of attention when it finally hits the market. If you're in the market for a new scooter, this one is definitely worth considering. Honda has always delivered when it comes to combining performance and practicality, and this new 125cc scooter looks like it will continue that legacy. I hope you're as excited as I am for its launch. Make sure you stay tuned to CAR, your channel name, for the latest updates and reviews as soon as this scooter becomes available. That's all for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and drop a comment below letting me know what you think about the upcoming Honda 125cc scooter. Will you be adding it to your wish list? Until next time, ride safe and keep revving up that passion for bikes.